Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do underwater effect on CapCut application. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and if we want to do underwater effect, we have to apply video effect to our video. First of all, we can go to the effect option and select the video effect, and here we're going to select the light effect category. You just need to click on the light effect, and you can scroll down to find the water reflection effect. You can keep scrolling to find it. Okay, that's one. Click on this water reflection, and here you can adjust the effect before you apply it to your video. You can adjust the speed, size, filter, and also color and twist. And after you're done adjusting the effect, you can click on the check mark, and we can drag the effect to the end of the video like this to make it align with the video. Okay, and after that, we're going to add underwater sound effect. We can go to the audio, then click sound. Okay, and here we're going to search underwater. Right, underwater effect like this, and you can choose the suitable effect for your video, and I'm just going to select this one. Click on this plus button to add this effect to your video. Okay, I'm going to cut it, guys. Okay, now let's just take a look at the final result. I'm going to play the video. Alright guys, and that's how we can do underwater effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.